guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to put music on a photo in CapCut, how to actually add music to a photo in CapCut. So first thing you have to do, open up your CapCut app and you're going to click on where it says new video right here. Click on that and you're going to select a photo. Click on photo, and once you click on photo, click on add, and once you add that, you're going to click on this just like this and make sure nothing has been added, right? So after doing that, you have to click on where it says audio right here. You can either extract for free or use sound, and right here you can see sounds on CapCut. You can actually add, and you can actually extract from a video of yours, or you can choose from TikTok. Make sure your TikTok has been linked to your CapCut. So once you do that, you can just pick any sound. So I'm just going to use the sound right here, and you can just decide to listen to the sound, right? So after listening, click on the plus sign and make sure you adjust the sound to the photo. So I'm just going to adjust it. It's very long, you can see it's almost like 3 minutes. So I'm just going to bring it up to where my video stop, my picture, that's my photo, actually stops, and just make sure I adjust it properly, and boom, click on play and you're going to see it. You can see, and you just export and you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.